Today we'll be touring around a 30 million home inside Verdana Homes, Mamplasan, just close by the exit of Mamplasan exit, going to South Luzon Expressway, and malapit din siya going to Nuvali. So tara, pasokin na natin. This property sits in a lot area of 196 square meters, 3 stories high, 334 floor area, 4 bedrooms, 4 toilet and bath, and 2 vehicle carport. So pagpasok natin, as you can see, it's open layout, and you have a lot of big windows that allows the natural light and also yung air pumasok sa loob ng bahay natin. Because here in the south, it can get cold and breezy, especially in specific times of the year. So this is your living area. And on the other side will be your dining area, which can easily fit your 8-seater dining table. And right across would be your kitchen that has a maids room. And dun sa labas po pala, we also have a driver's quarter. Dito rin sa ground floor, we also have a powder room. So tara, akyat tayo sa second floor. Welcome to the second floor. But before we proceed with the master's bedroom, since this is a preview tour, hindi natin mapapakita yung third floor. Sa third floor, we have 2 bedrooms and a family area. Here in the second floor, we have 2 bedrooms, a secondary room with its own toilet. This is a storage. And tara, pasok tayo. This is your master bedroom. Very spacious, can fit a customized bed, even a king-size bed, because it's malaki talaga. And you already have 2 air conditionings included in this property. Now, here also sa master bedroom, you also have your own closet space. Quite spacious, a lot of storage area here in this space. Very, very nice. Ang ganda niya, you also have a window here that allows the natural light to come in, and it also helps kill the molds para hindi masira yung mga designer bags natin. Now, right across would be your ensuite toilet and bath. You have your vanity sink, double vanity sink, you have your toilet, and also you have your shower. If you would like to see the full tour of this property, we have a full tour posted in our YouTube channel. Go ahead and visit there so that you can actually see the whole house. Bye guys!